Alright, here we go.
Oh, come on. You must like get on a video winning
Yeah,
the Dorito lottery here.
Okay, so what do we got? Okay, we got 125 and 118. Come on!
It worked last time.
Yeah, I'm just letting him do this with everyone filming. I'm not gonna say what happens after she starts filming.
Come on!
See,
No!
if one drops, you lose your money, man.
None dropped.
None drop. Four bangs. No.
Stop it. Okay, now I don't need to record some more because I'm going to get all pissed off.
He lost his chips.
Not strong enough.
He's $2 into this. Each bag is 95 cents.
Oh, wait. Damn! Jackpot! 5 of them. Oh, shut up. I can't get it open.
Now you can't get the door open. Stop. Slow it up.
What now?
Slow your roll.
Oh, they're all.
Yeah, that's not gonna happen.
No, that's all right. I
He
can
can't
just
get
break the
his
one.
chips.
I can just break the one.
Crush one bag.
No, you can't, because you can't even get in the door.
Okay, just hold the phone.
Complications.
All right, just give me
Complications.
a ruler. Give me a ruler.
Complications, and this is for $1. Not even $1.
me a ruler.
95 cents. He's in panic mode.
Okay,
It should be solid.
This is the complication.
Wow.
There you go. Push it over. Push it over. Hold on. He's working on it. Are you even getting through?
I'm not getting through.
Stop.
Use the ruler.
Try the ruler.
The ruler's pushing on them.